Good afternoon, Jerry Service Center here again, Chase Village, insured owners, specialists in pickups, Ranger 4x4. Today we have I just want to show you guys some lift kit for the Ford Ranger 2012 on, which is the PX or T6, T7 Ford Ranger. This is go under the lift to go on the shock, right, on top of the shock to lift the vehicle about 2 inch. Okay, give you a nice mean rugged look. And this is ones for the main lift in the back, the spring lift in the back. So this is also one here, right? So if you need lift kits for all the SUVs and pickups 4x4, Navara, Ranger, BT50, Hilux, all these, we have all different type of lift kits for them. You can give us a call and we do the installation right here at Jerry's in Chase Village. Alright, average price goes from like 12, 14, 16, 1800 depending on what you need. Alright, so give us a call at, this one here is for the Ranger, the new model. So give us a call at 6710713 or 7309449. Alright, Jerry Service Center. Visit us on Facebook, Jerry Service Center Limited. You can also visit us on TriniPickupsForSale.com. That is a site where only have SUVs and pickups for sale. Again, only pickups for sale. TriniPickupsForSale.com. Give them a check.